What's up everybody, Mr. Bald back at it with another video. This is on the most popular voice recorder that's on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to pick one up. But I got a question: how do you transfer files from your recorder to the computer? So that's what I'm going to show you real quick. So first off, we're going to turn it on by holding the center button down. Great recorder. I haven't had a problem with it yet. Look at the battery, it's still up there. You can record all, I haven't recorded more than 24 hours or anything like that, but the battery on standby, I haven't charged this in a long time. And when you use it, I can record 2-3 hours, just leave it going, and it's like 5% gone, 10% gone. So awesome recorder. Battery life is great. That's why this thing is so heavy, I'm assuming. But yeah, so let's get right into it. So when you get into your recordings, record folder, it's on C right now. Recordings library, there's one in this one. So obviously it doesn't have a name or anything, so you can also change the name inside the computer. So let's go ahead and transfer it. All you got to do, get your USB-C, boom, put it in just like that. Plug this into your computer like so. See, you're going to see a connection notice right there. Open your folder. Alright, this PC. So pretty much this thing is freed up. I transferred all the files already from what I had before, so I got like a recording or two on it. Alright, so here's the recorder. Here's my different folders. Let's see, I had C, so I'm going to click on folder C. There's like one recording. There it is. WAV file. Like I said, if you want to change the name, just change it. Record 1. So that way, whenever you pull it up on your recorder, you'll see it as record 1. And when you're ready to transfer the file over, you could do so. So there that is. You know, it's recorded. Open it in whatever player you want. You can play it through your computer, all that good stuff. And when it comes to transferring it over to your computer, you can compress, zip it, open it in a new folder. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to hold on it like that, and I'm going to drag it over into, let's say, pictures. Copy the pictures. Boom, there it is. It's copying. It's going to be on the computer, and you can wipe it from the voice recorder if you want to. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Alright, so I pulled it over into recordings. It's now on my computer, so obviously you can disconnect the recorder. It's on your computer.
Yeah,
there it is.
Hey, what's your name again?
Sam, why are you so loud over there? And that's pretty much it. I don't need it saved on here, so I'll go ahead and delete it. That's how you do it. And I have a couple other videos on this just to show you exactly how it all works. Really good recorder. Quality is there. Had this for a long time. T-mark, delete button, all that good stuff. You could play it directly from here. Quality on the speaker sounds pretty decent. Listen.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, what's your name again? I can barely hear you.
So it goes all the way up. Right, let's pause that. See, there it is. There's the name of it right there. REC1 is what I named it as. So if you don't even want to transfer over to your computer, but you just want to rename it and keep it on the recorder because maybe you're on the go for school, you could just go on the computer, change the name without transferring it over. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like if this video helped, subscribe, and if you have a question on anything, feel free to ask and I'll make a video, no problem. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.